What's up, man? Welcome back to SFN, man, where we get them in pieces and we put them together. So today, man, I'm going to be talking about flipping cars for profit, bro. It's easy to flip cars for profit, bro. Most people fuck up by being greedy, bro. Yeah, you trying to get greedy. Be greedy. Stop being greedy, bro. How you do this shit is you might buy a fucking car for $800. To make a profit off that $800, you can make a $400 profit off that $800 or whatever by selling the cars for $400 than $800. Most people get a car for $800 and say, fuck it, I want to make $3,000 off an $800 car. Sometimes that's being greedy, but what works for you works for you. But when you beginning or whatever, you ain't got a lot of money to play with. You ain't got a lot of time to play with. You trying to get in and get out and get to the next deal. Sometimes you might flip and sell cars just to get to the next deal so you can get a bigger profit. Like if you fuck around and buy a Honda Civic for $600 and it ride okay, or it might need some work, and sometimes you might have to turn around and flip that Honda Civic that you bought for $600 for $1,200 just to get it out the way. But your plan was selling it for $2,500 or $3,000. Sometimes you just gotta get rid of it to get to the next thing. You flip the Honda Civic to go get something better. Maybe you buy a Challenger or a Charger or a van or a truck, something that you can sell for more profit, or something you can sell fast, or something that's in high demand. Most people, they just jump into it. I'm finna buy this for $500. That's a good deal. I'm selling it for $4,000. Sometimes you gotta make sure that you can do that. It's worth $4,000, right? Sometimes you gotta have the fucking scan tool with you when you go on these deals so you can check all the codes. Check the VIN number in the scan tool to make sure it's the same fucking car or the same fucking computer. Cause sometimes people fix the cars and they put different computers, different components with different mileage on it. So you might check the miles on the car, might say 60,000 miles, but you go in the scan tool and check the computer, it might be different. And the VIN that you put in for the miles on that one might say 240,000 miles, but the car might look perfect, might run perfect. Not saying it's a bad car if they fix the problems. Not saying it's a bad car. But how you buy, sell for profit, it's easy. You want to catch your police auctions. You want to catch cheap deals in the neighborhood like I was telling y'all. You wanna catch your Craigslist deals, and sometimes you can get your storage auctions and shit like that to get a good deal. But all you gotta do is buy, sell, and trade. That's the business you in. Buy, sell, and trade. Buy a car for $1,000, flip it for $1,500, $2,000, whatever profit you comfortable with to get to the next deal. If you work and it's just a side hustle, it's cool if your money tied up and you bought a car for $900. It's cool to turn them back around and sell it for $1,500 or $1,600 or goddamn it, you bought it for $900. You just want your money back out the deal. Sometimes it's good to just sell it for $800. Just to go on sell it, cause you can have your long-term deals that's $6,000-$7,000 that you waiting on forever for somebody to come up on the $67,000 to buy it from you, or you can have your short-term deals that's maybe worth $3,000 or $4,000 that you short selling just to get to the bag. Like you can buy 6 or 7 cars, or you can buy 3 or 4 cars for $500, right? 3 cars for $500 for simple math. 3 cars for $500, that's $1,500. And if you sell each one of them cars for $1,000 a piece, you made $3,000, just like that. So like, it's easy to get into it, But it's the greed sometimes. But you want to check out the car, make sure that title right, man. Make sure that paperwork right. Even if it's a salvage title, make sure it's a real salvage title that is issued by auction, by Copart or something. Because if it say a salvage title and it ain't issued by Copart or nothing like that, or it's different than the state you in, but it still don't say no type of insurance auction on it or nothing, maybe it's a fake title. And then I'm gonna tell y'all a trick for fake titles. With fake titles, you ain't gonna fuck around and have no printer with you or something, but you can meet a person at a fucking Office Depot, or you can meet a person at a library, somewhere that you can go print the fucking title out. When you make a copy of a title, if it's fake, if it's not fake, it gonna, soon you make that copy, it gonna pop up as void. Like, you gonna see when you try to make a copy of it, the other copy gonna come out and it gonna say void, or it gonna have the state seals in the inside of the title with lines going through when the light hit it or whatever. But like, it's like counterfeit money counter. Like, if you hold a light to it, a bright light, you can see the lines in it, and you can see the state seals in it. If you hold it up and you can look straight through it, it ain't got shit in it. It's fake. It's a fake title. But I'm just coming to y'all with that good shit so y'all can get to the next level with this shit, man. I just be dropping videos day to day. If you watching this video, you might like my other videos. If you think I ain't doing what I say because I'm sitting in this motherfucking car, go watch my old videos when I first started, when I ain't know nothing about this shit like that, or when I wasn't giving a fuck about YouTube. I was just recording clips of cars. But I'm finna get back active, and you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all some of my new bills I got coming up, but I just gotta get a new camera. I just relocated to another state. I'm finna start over here, you know what I'm saying? And I still got a couple old bills in my old state that I'm gonna fly out there and I'm gonna take care of them, and I'm gonna bring y'all along, bro. So like, bear with me. I'm dropping this little sauce. I'm trying to help beginners. But yeah, I do this shit for real. You know what I'm saying? I ain't just a nigga sitting in the car talking about this shit. I do this shit for real. You know what I'm saying? You can check out some of my old videos where I was fucking with a little welding, a little framework, a little paint. Matter of fact, I'm gonna start dropping some of my older videos that, like, when me and my homeboys were doing projects, that we recorded the whole thing from beginning to ending. But like, it was like recorded on the fucking Android, you feel me? So like, the footage might not be that good, but I'm gonna get to it, man. And like, comment, subscribe to me if this any value to you, bro.